Hello everyone, this is Shami Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic how to fix Windows 10 randomly freezing. There is no feeling more stressful than when your computer randomly freezes. It can get on your nerves really quick, and that's probably the reason why you are here in this video. Your computer hangs now, and then what you want to know how to fix it. Solution 1. Uninstalling a new program. The steps are: you need a little help from the Windows search bar, so click on it, type in control panel and then press enter button on the keyboard. When you see the control panel app in the results, open it. There will be some options in the control panel. Support the programs option and then select it. Now choose the uninstall a program option under the programs and features option. It is the first option on the right part of the window. All the programs uninstalled on your computer will be shown in the next window. Choose a program and then right click on it. Choose the uninstall option from the menu. Click yes if you are prompted and then wait for the program to uninstall. Now use your computer as usual and see if the issues still exists. If you badly want the program, then just uninstall it, then try installing it from a different source. Solution 2. Updating Windows. Your computer runs because a lot of algorithms and codes working in the background, but errors might arise when there are bugs or when system files get outdated. So if you don't install your operating system on a regular basis, then it is pretty much guaranteed that you will run into some sort of trouble sooner or later. Hence, it is better for you if you keep updating it properly. Steps are: click on the Windows icon, alternative press the Windows button on the keyboard if that makes you more comfortable. Now open the setting apps. Therefore click on the cog icon. There will be several options in the setting window. Choose. But if that is not the case, then you will see a check for updates option. Select it and take it easy while Windows digs around for updates on your behalf. Proceed to download if any updates are available. After restarting the computer, see the problem is solved. Solution 3. Reverting to an earlier version of Windows 10. This method shares a lot, but there will be times where the internet connection may become unreliable to download and update. In such situations, you can return Windows to a state where it is worked properly. Next is updating drivers. Updating the drivers on your device is another common method that can be used for rectifying many possible errors. Consequently, you can use it to fix the current error in the discussion as well. Drivers are essentially the interface between software and hardware of your computer, and it is through it that the software is able to control and communicate with the hardware. Therefore, if any driver is corrupted or outdated, your computer may malfunction. Solution 5. SFC scan. The SFC or the system file check scan is a very useful tool. You will be basically conducting a scan where you will check for any corrupted or damaged files on your computer. Furthermore, these files will be fixed once they are found. So if the reason behind the error we are facing right now is a corrupted or damaged file, this method will be suitable. For an FSC scan, we are going to use the command prompt. With this awesome tool by your side, you can execute commands that you want to. Plus, it gives you the hacker feel without doing much. But if you are wondering where to download it, don't sweat. It is a pre-installed feature in most Windows operating system. Last but not the least, conclusion. How to fix Windows 10. The video dealt with the various ways in which you can fix the error which causes your Windows 10 to freeze. And since there are a lot of methods available here, you can pick the best one suited to you. But there is a slight chance that none of these might work for you. If that's the case, feel free to search for the other ones and get the error fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.